Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the teddy bear palm tree. You can see it's been in the ground for well over, I think, 10 years, but I had it a little longer before that. What's unique about it, let me put this out of the way. I'll get this first. This is my granddaughter Kylie tree. I put it in the ground and named a lot of my grandchildren. Like I have a ton of them, but they're all my 7 little precious darlings. This is Kylie's, and I figured this is a cute little tree because what's unusual about it, it has what they call fuzz. And let me just get up closer to try not to kill myself walking around. But there is the fuzz. Let me see if I can do it justice here. Really, it's not picking up that good. Let me get over here on the other side. Okay, I think we're a little better here. It'll probably show up on there. You'll see the brown is pretty much like a teddy bear, and almost if you touch it, let me just get up over here and I'll touch it like that. See, it's like a fuzz, pretty little fuzz. That's what I like about it. Nice. Gee, I gotta get one of those palm trees and the was kind enough to give me a few. And this is the longest one that I have. The biggest, not long, it's the biggest one that I have, and it's in Dougherty Garden. What I like about these series of palm trees grow like that is they basically are self-pruning, because what happens is they eventually, as they brown out, as you can see, let me get you the leaves and show you, the leaves are starting to brown out, and as they brown out, they tend to tell the tree itself that it's time to separate. So as they get down lower and lower, all these things separate, and they eventually separate down about here, and then actually it starts pulling away, and then if you get a strong one, it pull off. So that's why I call it a self-maintaining palm tree, because of the ability that the palm sheds itself old leaves. What I do is, when they brown out, I tend to cut off the leaves, because I just don't like that much brown in the garden, so I'll cut off the leaf. This is what I did here, and I think the one that's really shattered was taken off in the storm. So that's what it looks like in the Dougherty Garden. That's what it says. It's a pretty little tree. I had it, my goal with these little trees is to eventually get seeds from it. And I think you get the seed of the teddy bear. I'm not sure if it's a large one or a smallish one, so we'll find out when the seed bag comes. I keep on telling Kylie, one of these days we'll get this little puppy seed up, and we'll see what happens. And as you can see, maintenance has got a little ahead of me this year, and haven't been able to catch up. Yeah, getting old sucks, but that's life. So here it is. This is a teddy bear palm tree. I have 5 or 6 baby ones, which let me get back over here so we don't get killed. And let me get over here. Here we go. All right. Marty saved again. There it is. Such beautiful leaves on it. I mean, leaves, branches, palm tree branch. Now look how erect they are. They just shoot up into the sky, and they stay. That must be about 7 or 8 feet. That branch right there. But it's not like they droop out like some of the other ones. There's the solitary palms that they droop over. These basically just stand erect. Let me just get that little, if you look up in the back there, you see on a foxtail palm tree on Oscar's property, there's that bird just sitting right at the tip, having a blast. And he don't have his mask on. I'm going to have to talk to him later. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here without a mask, but he's freaking soul out here. Just Marty with his palm tree and catching himself out, and my little plants in the front, so the iris plant, maybe I'll do a video on it the next time. So this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Please like the video. We need the attention, and please subscribe to the channel. And I hit 500, so apparently I must be knocking at somebody's door. So thank you for signing on. If you have any palm questions, and I just learned, I just got on a track with Google. That's the Google one. If you need a question answered, just Google it. So my Google, I got 2 different emails on Google, so now I learned how to function with Google, function with my Yahoo and everything else, so now I'm starting to get up to date. I deleted about 400 promotional, social, and everything else emails on my Google account, so now I'm up to date. So leave a question, I promise you, within a couple of days, or try on the same day to respond to you. So thank you for stopping by. Have a gardening question? Let me know. I think I can have the answer, or I can follow somebody or search for somebody to get the answer for you. So this is Marty signing off for the Dougherty Garden with this pretty teddy bear palm tree. Thank you. Bye-bye.